Hello, my name is Olga Vitkovskaya and you are watching InstaForex News. The interest rate spread trading is again delayed. The increasing uncertainty in respect of the spreading of the debt crisis in Europe and weakening optimism concerning the world's economic recovery probably induced investors to get rid of the euro. However, rather to refuse the euro in favor of more risky commodity currencies such as the Australian, New Zealand and Canadian dollar, the investors choose the safe haven currencies such as the US dollar, the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. Taking into account the recent events, there are reasons for the continuation of this trend. The data from China expected this week will only worsen the situation if they confirm that the Chinese government succeeded in the moderation of the economic growth. This only will reinforce fears that the world's economy still can face with the second wave of the recession. Over the last weeks, the economic data of Eurozone and Japan were worse than the forecasts. Now, there are fears that the advance of the US economy probably also ends after the data published on Friday, were testifying about the disappointing weak upturn of non-farm payrolls. It is expected that the forecast on the growth will be corrected, and we cannot exclude the possibility that the stock markets will strongly start to reflect the risk of the second recession's wave. At the same time, the fears concerning the spreading of the debt crisis in Eurozone strengthen. Though Hungary disproved the statement appeared on Friday that it will face with a debt crisis similar to Greece, the investors left the Europe for some time. Rather than to perceive such large debtors as Spain and Portugal as target, it seems that the investors started to sell more actively. Keep watching Forex News. Goodbye!